Let's customize my new 2024 MacBook Pro together. This is the 14-inch MacBook Pro in the color silver. First things first, we've got to choose a super cute wallpaper and set it up. I got mine from a small biz on Etsy called Fabiola Designs. I really enjoy having my desktop look clean, decluttered, and only have the necessary apps and folders. I found that this helps me be more organized and productive. With that being said, I do have two folders on my desktop, and you may notice their folder icons are different, and that's because you can actually change the default folder icon on your Mac and copy and paste any image you want. I got these cherry blossom folders from the same small business on Etsy. As a content creator, I have my businesswoman folder, which has all of my important documentation, vision boards, all that good stuff for my business, and then the other one is called brand campaigns, where I keep track of all of the deliverables, contracts, all that good stuff. As for the other subfolders, I purchased these pastel icons from another store on Etsy called Silk and Sand Designs, and I just love the pastel colors of them so much. Now let's give you a taskbar tour. Here I have the Finder, my Launchpad with all my apps, my calendar, settings, Google Chrome, my notes, Final Cut Pro to edit my videos, Discord, and Spotify. When I open up my Launchpad, I organize this in a way I can clearly see all the apps that I use on a day-to-day basis, more or less. As for the folder within the folders, I thought I would personalize it even more by searching up cute copy-paste icons on Google and renaming my folders with those to make it more aesthetic and just like add it to the title. You can see I have an Office folder, an Apple folder, and a miscellaneous folder with all the apps that I honestly have no idea what they are, but I also don't want to delete in case they're important. So this is just a super easy way to add your own little flair for when you customize your own MacBook Pro. And here's the final look. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment below, and also make sure that you send me photos and DM me on Instagram, because I want to see like how this video helped you decorate your own MacBook Pros. I really hope it was much help and that it inspired you to do something different with yours. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye!